What's up, YouTube? Here's a video on how to change the chain on a 2005 Raptor 660 Yamaha. So it's real easy. You're gonna need yourself a 17mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, an Allen key, and a pair of pliers and a flathead. Real simple. So you're gonna start off by loosening the two 17mm bolts. One is here. Loosen that so you get it loose enough. Don't take the nut out all the way. Up here you got another one. Loosen it same way. Don't take it out all the way. And up here, right here, you have two 12mm bolts. One here and one there. So you loosen the nut first. So this is the bolt, this is the nut. Loosen the nut so you crack it loose, both sides. Then you take this one right here, the nut, the bolt itself, and loosen it so you can loosen the tension. You loosen the tension from the chain. See, it's loose. Now that's that. Sometimes you may have to spray some penetrant in here, WD-40 or PB Blaster or something like that, to get it to move. But once you loosen up the two 17s, right, loosen up the two 12s, you can grab the chain and pull up on it like this, and it will move this. If you notice right here, there's some lines to adjust it, right? So you pull up on the chain and you will see this center section move in between this one and this one. On this side there's little lines too for adjustment on the aluminum part. This cast aluminum part, you will see it'll stay stationary. Now, obviously, to get the chain off, you have to find the link on the chain. It should be on either side. So basically, you jack it up a little bit, turn the wheel till you see the link on either side of the chain. Take out the master link, slide it out. You can have the other piece, you take it out, take out the link. Pull the chain out and redo the whole procedure all over again. But before you could even get the chain out, what I like to do is go to the left side of the bike or the ATV. You have this cover here for the chain guard, where it tells you the gears, reverse, neutral, so on and so forth. So you have an Allen key screw right here and an Allen key screw at the bottom. In my case, with this ATV, I have to take off these two 14mm bolts right here for the peg that holds your foot. These two 12mm bolts right here with an Allen key, with a hex key on the sides, right? Loosen up the gear shifter, take out the 10mm, slide that out slowly. I like to mark it right here. I like to mark it right in the middle. See that middle section? I like to mark it directly in the middle so I know where it was set at. Now, once you slide that out, take out the two 14 millimeters, the two 12 millimeters. You'll be able to take off this cover to take out the hex key or Allen key screws. There's one at the top, one at the bottom of this same cover. Then you can take the chain out easily. Sometimes you'll be able to not take this off just by taking out the links. Have the bike in neutral and you'll be able to pull the chain out slowly. Same procedure. Take the chain, roll it in there, but you would have to have the back of the quad jacked up a little bit so you could be able to turn the wheel as you're feeding the chain in and back out. Always feed the chain going forward and then back out to the back of the quad or the bike. For some particular reason, that's the way it just should be. You want everything to go forward, so you have an idea of where your link is going to be at, because you want your link at the top right here. So you want your links to be here somewhere, always at the top. On some bikes, it might be easier to do it at the bottom. So in my case, I'm probably going to take off the cover here, but I probably shouldn't have to. Once it's in neutral, I could be able to spin it, feed the chain through the top, going that way, bring it across, and take a flathead screwdriver and slowly spin this at every link of the chain to get it to come down and feed it down through the roller, back through the chain protector and around. Then you put the link back on. You put the link back on here or at the bottom, however. Right? Once you've done that, now you have your chain in place, link on, and now you're ready to adjust. Same procedure. You're going to come back here. Now you're going to adjust these 12 millimeter bolts. Adjust both of them evenly so you feel the appropriate tension on this. You don't want it tight. It'll cause severe wear on your chain. So once you adjust these, get this one adjusted and this one adjusted, and you have the chain. Usually you just want like very minimal. You want very minimal play in it. Not, this is, right now it's loose, so this is, you know, because it's loose. But you want, let's say this is the chain with pressure, you want about 1/2 inch of play in it. You don't want it too tight. Okay? Now, if you adjust the chain and you feel like it's not tight enough or too loose, you go back to the same procedure here. Just tighten it a little more here and a little more there. Okay, so after you have that tight and you have the chain to where you feel it's appropriate, you take these nuts right here, these 12 millimeter nuts, right? And you spin them and tighten them until it's tight. Then you grab your 17 millimeter wrench, and this is what keeps it tight into place. These 12 millimeter bolts will not hold the pressure by itself. So please, don't forget, after you tighten, adjust this to the appropriate tension. Tighten these 12s on both sides. Don't forget to tighten the 17 millimeters right here, top and the bottom. Okay? Once you tighten those, you have completed the replacement of your chain. And always check your carrier bearings. and here, and here. If your carrier bearings are bad, you will feel this whole axle. This will move completely. Back and forth, up and down, side to side, it will move. Okay? Once you take the tension off the chain, when you're about to change the chain, you will feel it instantly. But always check it. It's always good to check it. Okay? Thank you, YouTube, for watching another video. Appreciate it. I felt like I should make a video about this. Some people, you know, need the advice. Nothing wrong with giving a helping hand. Thank you. Comment, like, subscribe, support the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you.